Hey guys, so I just got about 2,000 Robux and I'm so happy. I mean Robux the best. Yes. Okay, so I'm gonna reload the page. There it is, 2,000. You guys can't see, but it's right there. I just don't want okay. So let's go to the catalog. Okay, so there's a lot of new stuff. I already see red carpet here. Okay. Okay, so I have a shopping cart. Yes, I do. Let me take that back. Okay. Sorry, I'm just really excited. I have a shopping list for the things that I want, and I'm gonna buy more. Okay. And this is 425 Robux. Okay, so here's all the things that I want. Okay, so first is the hipster glasses, and I believe this is on not body accessories. And then it's the face. There are the hipster glasses. Let's buy now. Okay. So here, hold on. Let me click this. Okay. So we have the hipster glasses. Yeah. Okay. So have those. Okay. Next is the bubbly animation. Still have a lot of Robux, surprisingly. Okay, so let's go to Avatar Animations packages. And it should be bubbly. Yeah. Okay. Yes, we're getting so much. Okay. And these are just the prices. That's the total cost, as you can see. Okay. Joyous Surprise. Let's go to body parts, faces. Okay. And we're just going to copy and paste that. Paste. Right here. 20 Robux. Okay. Next. Okay, got that. Is Dizzy. Oh man. Okay. Let's get Dizzy. Copy. Okay, body parts, faces, and Dizzy. I'll get that later when I have extra Robux. Let's go back to catalog, and we'll keep that there for now. Yeah. Okay, copy. Choop. Clothing, pants. Choop, choop. Paste. Okay, enter. What? Okay, wait. I think, hold on. Let me do this. Because I'm hoping it's still there, because usually it changes every time. Okay, hopefully it's still here, because it was really adorable. I don't know if they took it off or whatever. I'll come back when I find it, or if I can't find it. Okay, so I got it, and here is the Ocean Blue Adidas crop jeans. Bye now. Okay, I still have 1,000 Robux. 1,541. Okay, that was the total cost, but yeah. Okay, so yeah, let's go to Avatar. Okay, so here it is. I'm gonna make an outfit. Lit. Lit. TT. Oh my gosh. Okay. Lit. Okay. Okay, so let's go to recent all. Okay, so this, this, these. Okay. Ah. Shirts. Take off the shirt. Okay, and then let's go to hat, take off this, and put these back on. I might take off the glasses because I don't like stuff with the outfit sometimes. Yeah, I'm going to take them off for this outfit, but I'm still going to use them, just not with this outfit. And I'm just going to put me create, so yeah, this is me, and I might put the glasses back on. I don't know why. Let's put, okay. I like them, and then I don't want to wear them, and then I just want to wear them, and then I don't. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Bye!